to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make this really cool Tuscan style salad. Right? A perfect springtime type dish, especially for early type spring. Alright, really easy to do. All I've got is all of these ingredients right here, just like that. This very simple, this particular dish, and it is quite affordable as well, as long as you know what you're looking for price wise. Alright, I'm going to make up a salad dressing. I'm going to add in around about 100 ml of olive oil. I'm going to add in about 70 milliliters of balsamic vinegar and about 30 milliliters of some apple cider vinegar, just to cut the richness down from that balsamic. Right, put that straight into an old sauce bottle. Make sure you wash those sauce bottles out well and keep them. Don't throw them out, wash them out. They make a great little dressing shaker and server. Give it a little good shaky, just like that. And there you go. Put that back in the refrigerator and you've got a nice little sort of balsamic dressing ready to go. A little bit of olive oil into a fry pan. We've got that on a sort of medium low heat. We don't want it too hot, and all I'm going to do is put in 1 punnet of little cherry tomatoes, which I've just halved, and we're not going to cook these off for very long at all. A little bit of salt. We just want to get a little bit of char on them, just a little bit of color, a little bit of flavor, a little bit of heat, and we don't want them to go too soggy. We want to keep a little bit of structural integrity to those beautiful little cherry tomatoes. Once they're starting to look a little bit like that, take those off. Okay, just like I'm doing right there. And if you also want to, you could also put in a clove of garlic into that oil if you really want extra flavor. But this dish is perfect to go with another dish that I'm already doing that night. Alright, got a nice little plate here. It's going to make some colors really pop. Right, that black plate, and all we're simply going to do is start assembling our salad. We're going to put down our tomatoes first, just like that. And I'm going to add in some bocconcini. Add as much or little as you like. I'm going to use probably about 3 balls of bocconcini, and just give those a rough chop or rough tear up, just like that, and just give that a bit of a dance around the plate. It's going to add a nice real creaminess to this salad. Okay, really nice and simple. And a little bit of thinly sliced red onion. That can go down just like that, just to cut through some of those sweetness of the tomato and the creaminess of the bocconcinis. It's going to work absolutely really well. Some fresh basil leaves that can go down, and here I've got about 50 grams of prosciutto, which I've just given that a really rough tear with my hands. I'm not using a knife, just tear it with your hands and put that around on top. Put your dressing down over the top, just like that, and there you go. You've got KP's Tuscan style salad, perfect for spring. Love to see you try and make this one at home. It's going to take you no time at all, and if you know what you're looking for, you'll actually save a couple of bucks as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. And please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Please leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them, whether they're good or they're bad. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make something really quick and easy to serve with another main dish, just like this one, well, you need to come and join the family. My family, hit the subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'm off to serve this Tuscan style salad with another dish, and I will catch you next time. Bye.